Welcome to the second in a series of instructional videos explaining how to successfully install the SolarEdge Home Battery. In this video, we'll guide you through how to safely wire the battery. And as you'll soon find out, it's a simple, straightforward process. Let's quickly review which tools are needed to complete the battery wiring. Now, let's review the battery wiring area. The battery DC MC4 connections, a factory-installed antenna, equipment grounding terminals, one for the battery and the other to daisy chain to the next battery if needed. For added convenience, we've also provided a dedicated location for cable management. Now, let's assemble the DC and grounding cables required to connect the battery to the inverter. Make sure that you have prepared the correct cable lengths. You will need to crimp the conductor to the supplied MC4 connector in the package and tighten the MC4 gland with the appropriate torque. Let's move on to wiring the battery. First, connect the equipment grounding. Then, connect one end of the DC cable to the battery and the other to the inverter. If connecting more than one battery to the SolarEdge inverter, connect the grounding cable and the DC cables required to daisy chain the batteries together. Branch connectors and MC4 connectors are both needed for daisy chaining and are supplied as part of a dedicated SolarEdge kit. Well done! You've now successfully wired the SolarEdge Home Battery. Continue to the SolarEdge Home Battery commissioning video.